In this video, I'm going to explain the profile config in GiziPrint. This is going to be an overview, and then I'll go into a little bit more detail. So here we have the projection areas, same projection areas that we had in Gizmotor. Now, because this GiziPrint and Gizmotor, they're running on the same PC, so they share the same config files, and we have that projection area we created earlier, 160 by 90. Now, if it's two different PCs, you would have to manually create that projection area. Now, this works the same as before. You will create a profile, and again, we're sharing the same files. I will go into more detail on this profile a little bit later in the next video. You have the resolutions and you have the linking. So you need to make sure your projection area has a profile linked. So what this, now because I named this profile very descriptive, what it means is when you send a file from Gizmotor that's sliced at 100 micron for a projection area that's 160 by 90, it'll use this profile. Now let's say for some reason you slice something at 50 micron on Gizmotor and you send it. GiziPrint will show you an error message that it says there's no profile for that configuration. So because there's no profile for 160 by 90 at 50 micron. So as you can see there, 160 by 100. So if you want to have a profile for 50 micron, you will need to go create a profile. So let's just reuse this profile for now. Let's save that. So again, that is just descriptive. You can call that ABC. I just like to add my projection width and my layer height in there, and we can then select the layer height and the profile, link, and save. So now if you slice in Gizmotor with a projection area of 160 by 90 and 50 micron Z, it'll use this profile. So let's say you want to use a different resin. As I said before, we don't need to do it here anymore. You can just, let's say it's a ceramic resin. So we make a profile for ceramic, we increase the layer display time, and now we have a 50 for ceramic and a 50 for whatever reason. You will go and unlink here and you will link ceramic. So now whenever you print 50 micron, it'll use the ceramic profile. So that's the basics of linking the profiles, creating a basic profile. I will explain the values in more detail now in the next videos.